Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube or TikTok channel. TikTok channel, doesn't really matter. Today, I got this like mini fridge. It's called Cookeez Makery. They're really cute because I got one before and it was like this oven. And it was like, it smelled like a cinnamon roll because it was one, but like sweet, like mixed with strawberries, like a cinnamon strawberry. It was super sweet.
Yeah, so we got the instructions here. So this is what it is.
It's cute. I didn't have this one. I had an oven one. But next time, I hope I get a frying pan one.
Yeah, so let's get started and see what we need to do here. Okay, so this is the recipe book. Okay, important, open the fridge door, twist and pull, and release the 5 screws.
5 screws.
So these twist and pull.
Good.
Okay, so we got all of these from inside out.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Be careful that the bowl's not there because we almost broke the bowl.
Okay, so that was step 1. Step 2 is we have our bowl. And we're going to find our step.
It looks so little in this chair.
So this one is 1, so we're going to do that one
And
first.
then next time it's going to be 2.
So empty the cake mix sachet into the bowl. So there's the instruction, and then mix. Okay, so we're going to do that. What are you doing? Okay, let's just cut this, and then you can dump it
I
in.
knew we needed those.
Okay, dump that in.
Whoa. 3, 2, 1. All of it?
Yep. Okay.
Empty.
Then it says, fill the measuring jug with clean drinking water to the brim. So here's our measuring jug.
It's funky looking.
It is funky looking. To the brim.
What is Bruno doing?
So we're going to fill it to the brim.
What? No. What is that?
Stir for 2 minutes. All right, come stir.
Oh, sorry. 2 minutes?
2 minutes is what it says. So we're going to stir, stir, stir. Keep going. You got 2 minutes.
Did you set a timer?
Yep.
Okay, it's been 2 minutes and it looks the same. But it's okay because this was very cheap.
Okay.
What's next? We just got done with a photo shoot.
5, bring cake mix together with your hands. So now use your hands.
Okay, I'm standing. So good. Like, so what do I do?
Just mix it with your hands, it says.
It feels like Play-Doh. Now, if you guys get this, then you guys can follow along too. Like,
Yeah.
because, yeah. Can't believe
Yep,
that's
keep doing
Bruno's
that.
pageant day.
And then it looks like you're supposed to roll it into like a ball and stuff. So you're just mixing it together with your hands there.
Waylon.
Yeah, our dog's outside. He wants to be inside.
He's not outside. He's just not in my
Outside.
room.
Yeah, outside the door. He wants to be inside the door.
But we can't because my bearded dragon's out of his cage. And my dog might try to eat him. His name's Beardy. Well, this thing? Put this in there?
Yep. So then
Wait, what about the icing?
that goes on last.
Okay, ready? Do I just smush it?
Mm-hmm.
And then put it in the armholes and stuff?
Yep, so it says, push toy dough firmly into the pet mold so it fills the whole space.
The old one that I had, it was slime. It turned into...
Push it in so it fills the whole thing.
Yeah, because this is going to turn into a stuffed animal.
Oh, for now. He says, I would like to see what you got. What is it? No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
So then it says, pinch both sides of the pet mold to release.
To release?
Oh, Bruno, stop, please. Bruno. Oh. Okay. I can't really see it though. Let's see.
Camera down.
Okay, so we released that from here. Now get the other one.
What other one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
That says number 2?
Yep.
No, you can't have this. Ready?
Yep.
It's pink.
Sweet.
It's slime.
Okay, so it says, using the ice cream scoop, spread ice cream as a layer over the cake. So spread it over this.
It's slime.
Oh, it is slime. Okay. So spread it over that.
This isn't very well. Don't work that well.
Let's try and flip it over.
Flip it.
Flip the top part over. There you go. Yeah, that does not work super well.
Like you need more like glue.
Okay, so then we're going to put it in the fridge. So just a sec here. Okay, so we're going to take
You might want to hold the camera. Take it and place it right there. And it looks super cool.
It says,
Wait, now you
turn
twist
it to -10.
this way.
I don't know, let me look. Oh, I see, hold on. Okay. So it's hard to see, but this piece right here, this says -5, -10. Okay?
Okay. Then do we shut this?
Okay,
baby.
shut it. Shut the bottom, shut the bottom. There you go. Wait for the tune to finish and the bell to ring. Once that happens, only open the door after the bell has rung. Okay. Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well.
Ooh, it's shaking. Look at it. What?
This is the one Gwen got. It smells so good. It smells like grapes. This is the second one that I wanted.
Ooh, that smells delicious. Your pet will go into sleep mode after 2 minutes of inactivity.
Meow. I love it.
I don't know which one it is, though. Do they have names or anything?
I'm naming it. What should I
So
name
there's
it?
the ones, and she got the one there.
What should I name it? Maybe Grapey.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, thanks for watching, friends. Goodbye.